Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bus Vintage Bikes. So while we wait rather impatiently for the next video to come out on the Colnago build, yes, it will come out eventually. I'm just waiting for a sticker kit to arrive from the States, and then I'll continue with that. But there's been a massive delay now, going on 3 months, but it will happen. So for this video, I'm going to take you through another proudly South African built bike. And the interesting part about this video is the entire bike fits in a small box. So stick around and enjoy it with me. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. There it is in all its glory. A proudly South African built Raleigh Sunbeam Dido or Dido. Not quite sure how they pronounced it back then. And there's the Raleigh South African logo. These were produced probably 60s to 70s. I'm guessing 70s in South Africa. And they were built under license by Raleigh South Africa in the town of Springs. That's the Raleigh Sunbeam logo as well. And this was a little girl's frame. This is the deconstructed version, as you can see. This was sent to me by a mate of mine, Neil Buckland, from Neil Buckland Cycles in Pinelands here in Cape Town. And he asked me if I'd be interested in putting this together or to restore it, and I took it off his hands thinking I'll get to it one day, many years from now. And lo and behold, I think this is the perfect little in-betweener to keep me tied over while I'm waiting for parts. So we're going to put this together, or we're going to restore it rather, and then put it together. Neil assures me all the parts are here. So that should make life a lot easier, because finding parts will probably be quite a mission. So yeah, let me take it out the box, lay it out, and you can see what we're dealing with. Right, so there's little Dido in all its glory. As you can see, it's showing a hard life. Lots of patina on it. The wheels are a bit rusted up. Spoke's not looking good. How's that for an almighty chainring? I need to count how many teeth there are in that. So these are, I think it was 12.5 by 2.25 inch tires that go on here. That's the brake set on it. Who needs bearings? I don't think it actually came with bearings at all. It's just a straight shaft through that runs on a friction shift. Look at the diameter of that seat post. Wow. Certainly not meant for heavyweights, that's for sure. But then again, it was a kid's bike. So yeah, let's get restoring. So as we close out this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this. And in the next video, I'm going to take you through the effort it took to get the mudguards and the frame looking like this in my little spray booth that I set up, and the headaches I had along the way. Till then, keep well.